Today we're looking at the Christmas tree twister. And this is a very easy 3D print, two parts only, and of course when they are printed they then slot together, so best to do it in two different colours. And if you're going for the Christmas aesthetics, of course you can go for green and white. Although my choice here is actually the opposite from what people print the green part. I feel like this one looks like the snow is on top of the tree, so I went for that. But other people actually do it the other way around, and it looks equally good both ways. So you can see I had a bit of a fail there because I printed it completely hollow and then tried to snap off and it broke. So reprinted the green part and here we are with the final piece. So it looks really quite nice, but I think I get more candy vibes off of this in person rather than it being a Christmas tree. It looks like some sort of edible substance rather than a Christmas tree. It also sounds horrible. So that's what it sounds like. It looks amazing in videos, especially stuff with background music and not the actual audio of the thing itself. But it does look cool. It's not particularly good as like a fidget toy. And honestly, I think this could be improved significantly by just making the actual part of it that's supposed to be snow, like round bumps, and the bit that's supposed to be the tree kind of more spiky looking. And overall, I think it ended up looking a lot better. In its current form, it's actually not that great of a thing to print out.